Hi, welcome back to our Art channel. Let's draw a cute colorful rainbow together and color it with different beautiful colors. Two unicorn clouds and listen to the story of them. Once upon a time, there was a rainbow who lived in the sky. He had 7 beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. He loved to shine brightly after the rain and make people happy. One day, he heard a voice singing a song. It was a little girl who was playing with a guitar. She sang about the rainbow and how she wished she could see him. The rainbow was curious. He had never heard such a beautiful song before. He wanted to meet the little girl and sing with her. He asked the sun for permission, and the sun agreed. But the sun said that he should come back before the sunset. The rainbow thanked the sun and set off on his journey. He flew down to the earth and found the little girl. He introduced himself and said that he liked her song. The little girl said that her name was Sophia and that she liked his colors. She said that she was happy to meet him. They started to sing together. They sang about the rainbow and all the colors, about the sun and the rain, about the sky and the earth. They had fun together. They also talked and learned more about each other. They were very happy and grateful. They hugged each other and said thank you. They said that they were the best friends ever and that they would never forget each other. They realized that it was getting late and that they had to go back. They said goodbye and promised to see each other again. The rainbow flew back to the sky and joined the other rainbows. He was happy. He smiled and closed his eyes. He dreamed of his adventure and of Sophia. He looked forward to the next day when he could shine again and make people happy. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.